Coming up next, cheesy enchiladas and a plate full of chilaquiles are just for starters at this Tex-Mex spot in the heart of San Antonio's historic Mission District.
Nichas really has a good flavor to everything.
Then to the Woodlands, where you'll find one of the very best chicken fried steaks in town. But that's not all.
So it's just like Grandma used to do.
And dangerous to your diet. But go ahead, dive in. I dare you. We'll take you to donut heaven.
That's not a donut, that's like a cake.
Good Taste starts now. Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tanji Patton. Each week I take you to the best restaurants in the state of Texas. Some you might have heard of, others are hidden gems, and it's my job to find them. We're on the south side of San Antonio in the beautiful historic Mission District. Stone's throw away, we found an awesome little Mexican food spot that just happens to be serving up some of the best chilaquiles in the city. It's a neighborhood rich in history, with lots of local flavor, where Tex-Mex reigns supreme. So to stand out here, you've got to be good.
Oh my gosh, you've got to come and try the food.
They've got it right.
Yeah, they're good. They're real good.
And locals know if you want the real deal, you come to Nichas for hearty helpings of home-style Mexican comfort food.
We have big portions, enchiladas or big enchiladas.
Hand-rolled and smothered in house-made gravy and chili con carne. Or splurge with these Texas fried burritos, stuffed with beans, cheese, and your choice of meat. Along with this cheesy, delicious chile relleno, made with a giant poblano pepper oozing with melted Monterey Jack cheese. And my favorite for breakfast, chilaquiles. Crunchy corn tortillas, scrambled with eggs, green chilies, and tomatoes. You can get these anytime because breakfast is served all day at Nichas. Where do the recipes for Nichas come from?
My mom, we started with her recipes, and we've added to the menu from her recipes. Enchilada gravy, they started.
That was your mom's recipe?
Yeah, enchilada gravy, chili con carne, tortilla soup.
The story starts with the Garcias, Jean and Dionisa, or Nicha, who opened a tiny taco shop called Minute Taco nearly 40 years ago.
My dad and mom started, it was beside a car wash, and the car wash started getting packed with cars from the restaurant, so we had to eventually tear the car wash down and build a new restaurant because we couldn't use the car wash anymore because people were parking in the bays.
A family affair for sure, with all the Garcia kids pitching in at one time or another to help out. Tell me what it was like as a child growing up with your family in the restaurant business.
Well, growing up, all I knew was how to wash dishes and work in the kitchen, so I never thought I'd be doing this.
So how many years have you been coming to Nichas?
When it was Minute Taco, that's how long.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
Brothers Arthur and Richard eventually bought the business from their parents about 13 years ago. Is it the kind of thing where the family business was calling you, or is it once you've been in the restaurant business, it's in your blood and...
Yeah. No, it is in your blood.
Together, they've grown the business, adding new locations and creating new menu items with lots of fun flavors, like this cozumel salad exploding with avocado, mandarin oranges, grapes, and caramelized pecans. And savory fish tacos on feather-light tortillas, piled high with cabbage slaw and tropical pico de gallo, paired with sweet potato fries. But the secret to their success still lies in their original family recipes. And some say it's in the sauce.
Their food is just, the sauces are different. Because you go to some of these others, they're all the same and they don't have the flavor that Nichas does. Nichas really has a good flavor to everything.
I keep hearing people talking about these green chili enchiladas.
We have green enchiladas, and of course that's been a recipe that we've had for the last, I would say, about 35 years.
Tempting too is Nicha's homemade tortilla soup.
This was your mother's tortilla soup recipe.
Yes.
And I haven't had lunch.
And I got Arthur to spill the beans about what makes their enchiladas sing.
A lot of people mix their gravy with meat. We do a gravy and then we put chili meat on top.
Time to test his theory.
So cheesy. I love it.
Thank you.
It is good.
Thank you.
So, from the Garcia family to yours,
Bring the family, because all our locations, it's a family affair. It's just a lot of fun.
I've been in love with those chilaquiles for years. Coming up, give your diet a day off and discover donut burgers, donut sandwiches, even donut desserts that will blow your ever-loving donut mind. I'm sorry, I need a moment. But next, Southern favorites with a Texas twist.
Her favorite is ribeye. I don't know what my favorite is, everything.
There's a place for you at this table when we come right back. Good things come from Cisco.